to display data, we'll use the same code which we have used in our previous program. See, to display data, I'm using the same code which I used in the previous program. Okay, same code we can use in this program also. Call method cl_salv table factory, and here I will display the gt_filter. Okay, so let me explain you again what I have done. So first, report is created with select options. We build the where clause with the help of select options value, and then I'm calling the class, getting the data in both the table gt all and gt filter, and then displaying the data using slv factory method. Fine, save, check, and activate. So program is activated, zprg_amdp03. The object is locked. If you are getting such message either for the AMDP or for the program, so what we can do, go to your SAP login, and go to SM12, and from here we can delete that entry. Okay, so object will get unlocked. Okay, now what I will do, I will test the program from GUI only. So zprg_amdp03, this is the program which I created. Okay, so I will set a breakpoint here. See, same code which we have written. Now I will set a breakpoint here. Okay, this is not yet activated, so let me activate from GUI. Okay, now it is activated. Now it is activated. Come back. Yeah, now I can say active. Okay, so I will set a breakpoint here. Execute. First time I am not entering any selection criteria. Okay, so I execute here. See the where clause first. As I am not passing anything, so we will get only mandate. Okay, and then here we are passing the input to the class, and output will get two table, gt all and filter. So this time same record in both the table because I not pass any filter criteria. So to pass the filter value, what I will do, I will copy some customer code from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 unique customer I will pass next time. I copied those customer here. Now see, in both the table we have 162 record. I am displaying the filter table here. Okay, so we are able to see the output. Now what I will do, here I will pass the customer ID. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 customer I am passing here. Let me save the variant. Test, execute. Now again check the where clause. Press F6. See, this time along with this mandate, we can see the value for Kunnar, customer ID. Like this, the where clause is generated using this class. And now if you execute the class, AMDP class, see, in GT all we have 162 record, but in GT filter we can see only 24 record because this time we have applied the filter. Okay, now again if I execute, see the output. Fine. To add some more filter, what I will do, let me copy all this value till here. Okay, now along with the customer ID, I am also passing the filter value for Belnar. Execute this. Again check the where clause. F6. See the where clause. Now we can see Belnar also. Okay, after Belnar you can see the value for Kunnar. So this is the beauty of this class. This will automatically generate the where clause with all the selection value. Now again I press F6. in GT all 162 record, and this time in GT filter only 8 records. Fine. Again I press F8, see the output. Okay. So in this way we will learn how to create a AMDP class with the select options by making the use of that class CL underscore SHDP underscore cell types, and by making the use of syntax apply filter in the AMDP class. So in this way we done with this session. Thank you.